Losing belly fat is a goal many people share, but it can feel daunting without access to a gym or fancy equipment. The good news is that you can effectively target your midsection and improve your overall fitness from the comfort of your home. By incorporating a combination of body weight exercises, consistency, and proper nutrition, you can begin to see real changes in your belly fat over time. One of the most important aspects of losing belly fat is understanding that spot reduction, or trying to lose fat in one specific area, is not entirely possible. Instead, focusing on full-body exercises that engage multiple muscle groups, combined with cardiovascular activity, can help burn calories and reduce overall body fat, including in the abdominal area. There are several exercises that are particularly effective for engaging the core muscles and stimulating fat loss around the stomach area, and the best part is they require no equipment at all. The first exercise that is incredibly effective for toning the abdominal muscles is the classic plank. The plank is a static hold exercise that works the entire core, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. To perform a plank, start by lying face down on the floor and then raise your body onto your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Make sure to keep your core tight, your hips level, and avoid letting your lower back sag, which can cause strain. Holding a plank for 30 seconds to 1 minute initially can be challenging, but as your core strength improves, you can gradually extend the duration. Planks not only strengthen the core but also enhance posture, balance, and stability. Variations like side planks or plank with shoulder taps can increase intensity and further engage the oblique muscles, which are essential for a toned midsection. Another highly effective exercise is the bicycle crunch. Bicycle crunches specifically target the upper and lower abs, as well as the obliques. To perform this exercise, lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs raised, bent at a 90-degree angle. Begin by bringing your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening your right leg, and then switch sides in a pedaling motion. It's important to perform this exercise slowly and with control, ensuring that your lower back stays pressed against the floor to avoid injury. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions per side. Bicycle crunches not only strengthen your abdominal muscles but also help improve coordination and flexibility in your hip flexors, which can be tight from prolonged sitting. Leg raises are another powerful exercise for engaging the lower abdominal muscles. Many people struggle with the lower belly area, which tends to store fat more stubbornly. To do a leg raise, lie flat on your back with your legs extended and your hands placed under your glutes for support. Keeping your legs straight, slowly lift them until they are perpendicular to the floor, and then lower them back down without letting your feet touch the ground. This slow and controlled motion activates the lower abs effectively. Performing 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions can lead to noticeable improvements in core strength and definition over time. Leg raises also engage the hip flexors and can improve flexibility in the lower back and hips, reducing the risk of strain and injury. Mountain climbers are a dynamic, high-intensity exercise that combines cardio and core strengthening, making them excellent for burning calories and reducing belly fat. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, as if you are running, in place while keeping your hands on the floor. Mountain climbers elevate your heart rate, which increases calorie burn, and simultaneously engage your core, arms, and legs. Performing mountain climbers in intervals of 30 seconds to 1 minute with short rest periods in between is highly effective. The exercise also improves agility, coordination, and cardiovascular endurance. For beginners, slowing down the movement initially ensures proper form and reduces the risk of injury, while advanced exercises can increase the pace for a more intense workout. The fifth exercise that is excellent for targeting belly fat is the reverse crunch. Unlike regular crunches, reverse crunches emphasize the lower abdominal muscles, helping to lift and tone the lower belly area. To perform a reverse crunch, lie on your back with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle and your feet lifted off the floor. Place your hands on the floor beside you for support. Engage your core and lift your hips off the floor, bringing your knees toward your chest, and then slowly lower them back to the starting position. It is crucial to perform this exercise with a controlled motion, focusing on using your abs rather than momentum. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Reverse crunches strengthen the lower abs and also help improve stability in the pelvis and lower back, which is essential for maintaining good posture and preventing injuries. In addition to these exercises, consistency is key. Performing these 5 exercises regularly, ideally 5 to 6 days a week, can help you see results over time. It's important to combine these workouts with proper nutrition, as diet plays a critical role in fat loss. Reducing processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive carbohydrates while increasing protein intake, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods can accelerate belly fat reduction. Drinking plenty of water and maintaining a calorie deficit, where you burn more calories than you consume, will help your body tap into stored fat for energy, including the fat around your belly. Another important factor in losing belly fat is incorporating daily movement beyond structured exercises. Walking, taking the stairs, and staying active throughout the day can significantly increase calorie expenditure and aid in overall fat loss. Adequate sleep and stress management also play a role in reducing belly fat, as high stress and poor sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances that encourage fat storage, particularly around the midsection. Mindful practices like yoga or meditation can help manage stress levels, while maintaining a consistent sleep schedule ensures your body recovers and functions optimally. To make these exercises more effective, it's helpful to gradually increase intensity over time. For example, extending plank holds, increasing repetitions of bicycle crunches, or performing mountain climbers at a faster pace challenges the muscles and prevents plateaus. Additionally, combining these exercises into a circuit can create a high-intensity, full-body workout that maximizes calorie burn in a short amount of time. For instance, performing a set of planks, followed by bicycle crunches, leg raises, mountain climbers, and reverse crunches with minimal rest in between can create a powerful fat-burning routine that only takes 15 to 20 minutes. While these 5 exercises are highly effective for strengthening the core and reducing belly fat, it's essential to have patience and maintain realistic expectations. Belly fat is often the last area to reduce, and it takes time, consistency, and a combination of exercise, nutrition, and lifestyle adjustments to achieve noticeable results. Tracking your progress, whether through photos, measurements,